Okay, so this is the part where I talk about creating slides that describe how the introduction that went to this into this video. So basically, the slides I created using this sort of front end slide skill. So there's this front end, yeah. So there's this skill that people have created. Skills are nothing but just some sort of a README kind of prompt that people create which is very detailed. So the skill is like a very detailed instruction on like what exactly it needs to do and how it needs to design it. So you can install these skills. Basically, just copy this into a specific folder and that's it. Like this. And once you do that in Claude Code, you can just invoke it and say front end slides. So here I basically just mentioned it. Okay, I want to create this presentation that looks at all of these three and does this and this and this. Then it went in and designed some very basic stuff. It asked me like, okay, how do you like presentation options? And I picked like, gave me three options. So basically, yeah, this was one option. Uh, Style A is another option, and style B is another option. So these are all like really good. Looks all of these look really good. These are all HTML slides, which are accessible, very good. I think I'm doing more and more of these kinds of slides these days because they are accessible. So basically, I said, okay, I like style C, and it's now working on it, developing it. So it says, okay, I want to write this here. Okay, why not? Yeah, it already did the slides and it gave me the actual HTML. So here, I mean, this is the one that I'll be using for my presentation. So I can use my keys to go through. So you have your okay again, like I mean, yeah. So because okay, the great thing is because this was already run in this folder, which where I'm currently in, like so this folder which has all the files. It knows the context, so I don't have to give it a context. So it says, okay, this is a generative AI survey. It has 1,600 users and so on. Like, and the data looks like this, start date and date. Actually, the data does look like that. So yeah, this is the data, right? Like, yeah, start date and date and so on. So it created this sort of very, very visual, like, okay, this is this data, we have 2,500 rows and so on. Basically, yeah, yeah, again, like, I mean, this is all really good design, right? Like, it doesn't matter if the content is not good or not. This is one shot, and the content seems to be very good. Like, basically, what I wanted to show, in these three steps. So, step one, step two is this interactive dashboard. Step three is the research paper, and so on. Like, and all of these are like already like zero shotted. And okay, why this matters? All of these, okay, I mean, and so it knows my information. So I put in the stuff here, all of this stuff. So this is already super super interesting, really helpful. So yeah, again, like these skills, there are so many of those skills. Like you can, I mean, this is just one skill that gives me HTML presentation, but you can use many, many other skills as well.